Most goals this season. A. Ikram Reyners, B. Peter Shalulile, or C. Lucas Ribeiro.
Lucas Ribeiro.
Question number 2. Most assists this season. A. Keleto Makhalwa, B. Ikram Reyners, or C. Siyanda Mtsanti.
Reyners.
No, Keleto Makhalwa.
You drink.
Angijwayele.
Most goals in PSL history. A. Siyabonga Nomvete, B. Maputi Kanyeza, or C. Bradley Grobler.
Siyabonga Nomvete. Maputi.
You are wrong.
Good and dog. One and the same thing.
Most assists in PSL history. A. Kama Piliat, B. Themba Zwane, or C. Dion Hoto.
Ubani umunye?
Kama Piliat, Themba Zwane, Dion Hoto.
It's Kama Piliat.
Second.
Themba Zwane.
Guys, you are wrong.
Dion Hoto.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Most yellow cards this season. A. Yusuf Mart, B. Kosinathi Sibisi, or C. Sibonelo Cele.
Sibisi.
6. Most red cards in PSL history. A. Paulas Masehe, B. Morgan Gold, or C. Thulan Hlatshwayo.
Paulos Masehe.
Paulos Masehe.
Guys, you are wrong.
Thulan Hlatshwayo.
Hey, Morgan Gold. Drink.
Most matches in PSL history. A. Bernard Parker, B. Thabo Matlaba, or C. Vuyomere.
Vuyomere.
Guys,
Thabo Matlaba.
Bernard Park. Drink, guys. Drink.
Vuyo. Oh.